Caught red-handed. Better technology is allowing police to identify theft suspects easier. And a Council Bluffs man is helping others curb crime in their neighborhoods. Senior reporter Jake Wazakowski takes a look at how he's helping and if crime is increasing.
You've seen the videos on Facebook. People creeping around someone else's property at night.
I have it here because this is where that vehicle parked when they broke in.
J.C. Colton says he's ready to catch anyone who tries to steal his or his neighbor's property.
3 guys walked through here, got into the garage.
He says he put up cameras and signs to stop criminal activity, and it's kept the riffraff away.
We're having so much crime, burglary, theft, break-ins. It's bad. It takes your sense of identity as a person when someone breaks into your house while you're sleeping.
Now he's helping others. On the Facebook CB Neighborhood Watch group, he posted an offer to install cameras for a small fee to cover his time and help keep the community safe.
I have a 60-hour-a-week job, so I'm not trying to make a business or a profit. I'm just trying to increase our neighborhood security.
On Council Bluffs Facebook watch groups, the posts pile up of suspicious activity. Colton's helping Larry and Darla Allen install their new security system at their West End home.
You just don't feel safe. You just don't feel safe at all because people are coming up on your porch and while you're sleeping. It's just a scary thought.
The Council Bluffs Police Department indicates there's only been a slight uptick in vehicle break-in and burglary reports this year compared to last year.
A sweet gesture like this to offer to do the things that I can't do. If we're proactive, it'll at least lessen what's going to happen.
The police can't do it by themselves. They need the neighborhood to come together.
Reporting in Council Bluffs, Jake Wazakowski, 3 News Now.
Thanks, Jake. The Council Bluffs Police Department encourages people to help with community policing and contact CBPD with any issues you're having in your neighborhood.